Next question for group B. Deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B, option C vitamin C, option D vitamin D. Question for group B. Question for group B. Option vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D.
Sir, vitamin D.
Wrong. Next group. First to group A.
ठीक है वो बताया
क्या बताया?
विटामिन ए.
गाइडेंस.
पास होगा ना तो जो हाथ उठाएगा उसी को दीजिएगा.
Next question for group C. Topic nutrition in plant and animals. Question: the process of making food by green plants is called. Option A respiration, option B photosynthesis, option C digestion, option D excretion.
Option B, photosynthesis.
Right answer. Next question for group D. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called. Option A herbivorous, option B carnivorous, option C omnivorous, option D decomposers.
Herbivorous.
Wrong. First to go graph group.
Omnivorous.
Right answer.
क्वेश्चन क्या हो गया.
Question number 5 for group A. Natural fibers are obtained from option A petroleum, option B coal, option C plants and animals, option D synthetic material. Synthetic material.
Plants and animal.
Right answer. Next question for group B. The process of removing seeds from cotton balls is called. Option A ginning, option B spinning, option C weaving, option D knitting. For group B. Pass to group C. The process of removing seeds from cotton balls is called. Option A ginning, option B spinning, option D weaving, option D knitting. बताइए.
Option C.
Wrong. Wrong.
Sir, D.
Wrong. Next question for group C. Rusting of iron is a. Option A physical change, option B chemical change, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Right answer. Next question for group C or D. Melting of ice is a. Option A physical change, option B chemical change, option C both A and B, option D none of these.
Physical change.
Right answer. Next question for group A. The SI unit of electric current is. Option A volt, option B ampere, option C ohm, option D watt.
Ampere.
Right answer. Next question for group B. The device used to measure electric current is option A ammeter, option B voltmeter, option C ohm meter, option D wattmeter. Question for group B. Right answer. Next question for group C. The natural source of light is option A moon, option B sun, option C electric bulb, option D tube light.
Sun.
Right answer. Question for group D. The bending of light as it passes from the medium to another is called option A reflection, option B refraction, option D dispersion, option D diffraction. Question for group D.
Refraction.
Right answer. Question for group A. The process of transfer of heat through a medium without the actual movement of particles is called option A conduction, option B convection, option C radiation, option D none of these.
Repeat the question.
The process of transfer of heat through a medium without the actual movement of particles is called option A conduction, option B convection, option D radiation, option D none of these.
None of these.
Wrong. Wrong.
Option A.
Right. Conduction. Next question for group B. The SI unit of heat energy is option A joule, option B calorie, option C Kelvin, option D degree Celsius. Right answer. Question for group C. The pH of a neutral solution is option A 0, option B 7, option C 14, option D 10.
7.
Right answer. Question for group D. A substance that turns blue litmus red is option A acid, option B base, option C salt, option D neutral substance. Right answer. Question for group A. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called option A fertilization, option B pollination, option C germination, option D budding.
Fertilization.
Right answer. Question for group B. A sexual reproduction in which a new organism develops from a bud is called option A fission, option B budding, option C spore formation, option D regeneration. Wrong.
Budding.
Right. Group A. Question for group C. Living organism and their surrounding. The process of intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide is called option A photosynthesis, option B respiration, option C digestion, option C excretion. Right answer. Question for group D. Organisms that break down dead plant and animals are called A producers, B consumers, C decomposers, D herbivores. Right answer. Question for group A. The joint that allow movement in all direction is called option A hinge joint, B ball and socket joint, C pivot joint, D bleeding joint.
question.
The joint that allows movement in all direction is called
Option.
hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, bleeding joint.
Ball and socket.
Right answer. Question for group B. The process of loss of water vapor from the leaves of plant is called option A transpiration, option B respiration, option C photosynthesis, option D guttation. Right answer. Question for group C. The part of the plant that transports water and minerals is option A root, B stem, C leaf, D flower. Right answer. Next question. The control center of the cell is option A nucleus, option B cytoplasm, option C cell membrane, option D mitochondria. The control center of the cell is nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane. Right answer. Next question. A good conductor of heat and electricity is A wood, B plastic, C copper, D sulfur.
Copper.
Right answer. Next question. A non-metal that is a good conductor of electricity is option A carbon, B sulfur, C phosphorus, D iodine. Group B.
Repeat question.
A non-metal that is a good conductor of electricity is option A carbon, option B sulfur, option C phosphorus, option D iodine.
Carbon.
Repeat. A non-metal that is a good conductor of electricity is option A carbon, option B sulfur, option C phosphorus, option D iodine.
Option B.
Wrong.
Carbon.
Phosphorus.
Carbon.
Right answer. Next question for group C. Newton's first law of motion is also known as the law of option A inertia, option B acceleration, option C force, option D momentum.
Option A.
Right answer. Any question? Next question. The force of attraction between any two objects with mass is called gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
Right answer. Round 1 हो गया. Group A 17 points, Group B 7 points, Group C 15 points, Group D 12 points.
Good morning, everyone. So, are you ready for our second round? Yes, ma'am. Our second round is description round. Okay? Each team will be given a set of questions to answer and by describing. You will have limited time to complete this round. Question for Group A. Explain the role of carbohydrates, proteins, and fat in our diet. I repeat my question. Explain the role of carbohydrates, proteins, and fat in our diet.
The role of carbohydrates in our diet to giving energy and fat. The role of fat in our diet store energy for future and protein. Role of protein in our diet increasing our height.
It's right answer. But proteins build and repair our tissues also. Second question for Group B. How do plants respire? How do plants respire? पौधे किस तरह से सांस लेते हैं?
Fruit tomato.
Right answer. What are the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers? Group C. What are the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers? Pass to Group D, Group A, Group B. Answer is advantages of synthetic fibers include durability, strength, and resistance to wrinkles and stains. And disadvantages include lack of breathability and potential for static electricity. Question for Group D. Give examples of physical and chemical changes. Give examples of physical and chemical changes.
Example of physical change is ice, and example of chemical change is burning of wood.
Right answer. Melting of ice. Question for Group A. Explain the working of an electric motor. Explain the working of an electric motor. Group D. Answer is an electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Question for Group B. What is the difference between a real image and a virtual image? What is the difference between a real image and a virtual image?
Real image is same size as the actual object, and virtual image is highly diminished.
Wrong answer.
Real image always make inverted and virtual image always
Real image always found inverted, and a virtual image always found erect.
Group D.
Group D, बताइए.
Pass to Group A, B, and D. The answer is the greenhouse effect is the trapping of heat by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. Question for Group D. What are the uses of acids and bases in our daily life? I repeat my question. What are the uses of acids and bases in our daily life?
The uses of base in bathing. The uses of acids to
Not bathing. Pass to Group A, B, and C.
Ma'am, the uses of acid in making food, and the uses of bases in washing clothes. Which one? Give example. Like washing powder is made up of almost bases, and lemon juice they made up of acids.
Right answer. Question for Group A. Explain the process of fertilization in plants. Explain the process of fertilization in plants.
the fusion of male gamete and female gamete.
Male gamete. Right answer.
जब जैसे मैडम क्वेश्चन करेगी ना, तो जैसे ए तो देखिए वहाँ सी बी सी डी।
Question for group B. How do animals adapt to their
डी बोलेगा डी
surroundings?
की तरफ फोकस करना है, सी बोलेगा तो सी की तरफ फोकस करना, क्वेश्चन पूछने का।
How do animals adapt to their surroundings? First two, group A, C and D.
To detect the environmental situation. एनिमल कैसे अडॉप्ट करता है इन्वायरमेंटल सिचुएशन।
Physical. Question for group C. Explain the role of the skeletal system in our body. This is an easy question. Skeletal system.
Protect our bones.
Repeat your
To provide
Protect
structure
our
in body.
bones.
To provide structure in body. And provide mechanical strength.
and protect our inner organs.
Inner organ.
Right answer. Question for group D. What is the process of photosynthesis?
वही लोग का क्वेश्चन है मैम, उन लोग का बात है ग्रुप ए हो।
Group D.
नहीं
नहीं अभी C का। What is the process of photosynthesis? प्रकाश संश्लेषण की प्रक्रिया को बताइए। First to group A.
The process of making food.
The process of living plant is the presence of sunlight, water, chlorophyll, and water.
Carbon dioxide. Right answer. Question for group A. What is the cell theory?
All living organisms are made of cell. एक और बोलना, cell theory.
And cells are the
Made of, all living organisms are made of cells. और हाँ? Cell is a fundamental unit of life because all the living organisms are made of cell.
right answer. Question for group B. What are the properties of metals and non-metals?
Metals are ductile, lustrous, sonorous, and non-metals are do not ductile, sonorous, and lustrous.
Right. Question for group C. State Newton's 3 law of motion. Explain motion and Newton's 3 law of motion. न्यूटन के 3 लॉ बताओ. सी.
First law of motion is one object is a object is motion a direction. An object is motion one direction. And second law of motion is
Pass to group B, A and C. B.
A body can be set to rest to motion, and a body can be motion to change a rest.
Wrong answer.
A body can first law motion. A body can be rest is remain rest without any external force. It does not move. A second law, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. और फिर third law, every object is equal and opposite. Every action is equal and opposite reaction.
Right answer. Question for group D. Explain the concept of work and energy. Explain the concept of work and energy.
क्या कर रहा है?
When force is applied on an object and displace some meter, it is said to be and work. Energy, ability to do work.
Right. Question for group A. What is the difference between mass and weight? What is the difference between mass and weight?
Mass is also called scalar quantity, weight is also called vector quantity.
Wrong answer.
Mass is always constant in any place, and weight is changed in various places.
Right answer. Mass is the amount of matter and weight is the force of gravity. Question for group B. Explain the concept of pressure. Explain the concept of pressure.
The pressure is depend on force by surface area.
Pressure is equal to force per unit area.
बात नहीं हुआ
If the same force applied in more area, then the pressure is low, and the same force applied in low area, the pressure will high. ज़्यादा
Right answer. Question for Group C. What is the principle of Archimedes? What is the principle of Archimedes?
When we applied force on object, then the force replied opposite force. नहीं, object replied. Where object?
Wrong answer.
मैम when an object
पास क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ है भैया, तू खड़ा हो रहा है, पास में
wrong answer हो गया.
Pass to Group A, B and B.
When an object placed in water, the water applied up thrust by buoyancy force.
Right answer. Question for Group D. Explain the concept of buoyancy.
When force is exerted pressure in water, the water exert
Pass to Group A, B and C.
When an object is when an object
Answer is buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a flood on an object immersed in it. So this round is over. total marks of Group A is 28, Group B 32, Group C 15 and Group D 26. तो अभी लीड कर रहे हैं ग्रुप बी.
आंसर मालूम रहेगा पहले हाथ उठाइएगा फिर जवाब दीजिएगा. पहले जवाब नहीं देना, पहले हाथ उठाइएगा फिर जवाब दीजिएगा. ठीक है? जो पहले हाथ उठाइएगा उसको पहले आंसर बोलने का मौका दिया जाए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is the deficiency disease caused by lack of vitamin C?
Night blindness.
Wrong.
Scurvy.
Right. Group D. Question number 2. Name the process of breaking down food into simpler substances.
Digestion.
Group D, right answer. Question number 3. What is the strongest natural fiber? What is the strongest natural fiber? बताइए.
Cotton.
Wrong.
Polyester.
Wrong.
Jute. Jute.
Wrong.
Acrylic.
Wrong. Answer is silk.
ठीक.
एक टीम एक ही बार बोलिए. बार बार खड़ा होकर बोल रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is the process of
ठीक है,
conversion
वहाँ
of
ठीक है. 4
solid into liquid gold?
Condensation.
Wrong. Right. Group C. Question number 5. What is the SI unit of electric resistance?
Ohm.
Right answer.
वो डायबल है वो.
ग्रुप सी में जाएगा.
ग्रुप सी में जाएगा. आंसर नहीं
आप डाला है आंसर क्यों बोल दे रहे हैं?
आंसर बोलने के लिए कहा गया है. लाओ ना कोई.
Question number 6. What is the phenomenon of bending of light as it passes from one medium to another void?
ग्रुप सी.
Refraction.
Right answer.
खड़ा होना अपने जगह पे खड़ा होना. उंगली का उठा रहा है.
Question number 7. What is the process of transfer of heat through a medium without the actual? Right answer. Next question. Question number 8. What is the chemical formula of sulfuric acid?
ऑप्शन एस है. ग्रुप है.
Group A.
H2SO4.
Huh?
H2SO4.
Right answer. Question number 9. What is the process of fusion of male and female gametes called? Group A.
Zygote.
नो. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप.
Right answer.
सेकंड में ये खड़े हुए थे तो इन लोग का चांस मिलता, बट आप लोग दे दिए इसलिए इस तरह मत करना. ठीक है? सेकंड में इन लोग खड़ा होगा ना. जो बोलने कहा जाएगा तब बोलना है.
Next question. Name the largest land mammal. Name the largest land mammal.
मैमल. मैमल.
Question number 10.
Blue whale.
Wrong.
Elephant.
Right answer.
लैंड में ब्लू वेल. लैंड में ब्लू वेल.
question. Question number 11. What is the green pigment present in plant?
कैंसिल कर दिए, जो कैंसिल कीजिए, क्वेश्चन कैंसिल। पहले बोल दिया कि जवाब नहीं देना।
हाँ, हम ना जवाब क्यों दे रहे हैं?
खड़ा होके बोल दे जवाब।
इन लोगों का सही है, कैंसिल कर दिए।
कैंसिल बैठ जाइए। Question number 12. What is the process of intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide by organism called?
What?
Right answer. Question number 13. What is the process of weaving yarn into fabric called? What is the process of weaving yarn into fabric called? Wrong.
Speak.
Wrong. Answer is respiration.
नहीं, गलत नहीं।
गलत इसमें।
आंसर देखिए क्या है, कौन सा क्वेश्चन में बता रहे हैं।
13 का ही है।
आंसर
Weaving.
आंसर वीविंग।
Answer is weaving. Question number 14. What is the process of formation of a new substances from one or more substances called? Wrong.
Repeat question, sir.
What is the process of formation of a new substance from one or more substances called?
Chemical.
क्या क्या
Chemical क्या? हाँ?
Chemical reaction. Chemical sir.
Right. Question number 15. What is the device used to measure electric current? रुके बताइए।
क्या what is the device used to measure ammeter?
Right answer.
जब आप खड़े होइएगा क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं होगा, इसलिए क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुन के एक ही बार बोल के खड़ा होना है।
Question number 16. What is the part of the eye that controls the amount of light entering the eye?
समीर।
Huh?
Pale.
Right answer. Question number 17. What is the process of transfer of heat by the actual movement of particles of the medium called? बताइए रुके।
रिपीट नहीं होगा।
Conduction.
Wrong.
Radiation.
Wrong.
रिपीट क्वेश्चन है
नहीं रिपीट नहीं होगा।
सब
नहीं होगा।
खड़ा
तो छोड़।
क्या कहे सर?
तुम्हारा हो गया। हो गया था ये छोड़ दीजिए, कैंसिल कर दीजिए। आंसर बता दीजिए।
Convection. Answer is convection.
पहुंच कीजिए, थोड़ा पहुंच कीजिए तो पार्टिकल हो।
What is the chemical formula of sodium chloride?
NaCl.
Right answer. Question number 19. What is the process of growth and development of an organism from zygote called?
Embryo.
एम्ब्रियो।
Embryo.
The wrong answer.
उच्चारण गलत था उसका।
Answer wrong. What is the process of growth and development of an organism from a zygote called?
Production.
Wrong.
भैया
रुको आंसर आने दो, बता दीजिए आंसर।
Answer is development.
डेवलपमेंट हाँ एम्ब्रियो फॉर्मेशन हुआ बट डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा। एम्ब्रियो भी सही।
Next question.
एम्ब्रियो ही बनना है, डेवलपमेंट बोलना है।
Next question. Name the smallest unit of an element.
इसमें
Right answer. हो गया। कौन सा ग्रुप लीड कर रहा है?
हो गया, खत्म हो गया।
ओके।
Next round, we will fire a series of questions. Questions for group A.
क्या था राउंड क्या है रिपीट हाँ टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना जल्दी
Name two sources of vitamins.
Name two sources of
Vitamins. Pass to group B.
तुरंत रैपिड टाइम
बी सी डी अदर ग्रुप्स को किसी को आता आंसर बताइए
Pass to group C. Right answer. Question for group B. What is the enzyme present in saliva?
salary amylase.
Right answer. Question for group C. Name two synthetic fibers. Pass and good. Name two synthetic fibers. Wrong answer. Pass to group D. Synthetic fibers.
Cotton silk.
डी में पास वो बोल दिया
Pass to group A.
कॉटन और सिल्क
Synthetic.
They are natural fibers.
हो गया
Answer is nylon and polyester. Question for group C. What is the process of rusting?
सी का या डी का डी
C.
सी सी हो गया ना अभी सिंथेटिक फाइबर
Sorry, group D.
बोल रहे क्या है क्वेश्चन क्या था
Process of rusting.
बोरोसान
Right answer. What is the SI unit of electric power? Group A.
Watt.
Right answer. Question for group B. What is the phenomenon of dispersion of light? Repeat answer.
Refraction.
Wrong answer.
पास
Pass to group C.
स्पेक्ट्रम
Wrong answer.
ग्रुप डी
Question. What is the phenomenon of dispersion of light?
Dispersion.
Right answer.
light splitting of white light into its 7 components is called dispersion of light स्पेक्ट्रम बोलता तो कुछ और तरफ जा
What is the unit of heat energy? Group C. Right answer. Question for group D. What is the pH of a basic solution? Pass to group A. Repeat answer. Right answer. Question for group D. Group A. What is the control center of the cell?
न्यूक्लियस
Right answer. Question for group B. Name two non-metals that are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals.
Poor conductor of heat and
Electricity.
wood.
टू
Very good. Wood and plastic.
मेटल्स में
Right answer. Question for group C. What is the force of attraction between two objects? Right answer. Question for group B. What is the rate of change of velocity?
Acceleration.
Right answer. Question for group A. What is the force that opposes motion?
Inertia. Pass कीजिए. Others.
Friction.
Right answer.
B.
Question for group B. What is the upward force exerted by a flood on an object immersed in it?
Buoyant force.
Right answer. Question for group C. What is the principle of Pascal's law? Right answer. Question for group D. Name the kitchen of plant cell.
Ribosome.
Pass.
Wrong answer. Right answer. Answer is chloroplast. So, let's thank all the participants for their interest and knowledge. We did also like to thank our judges for their insightful evaluation. Thank you. सर इधर दे देंगे.
दूसरा अनाउंस कर दीजिए.
I will call to our principal for announce the result of participants.
Bluetooth mode.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
I hope you all have enjoyed this quiz competition.
Yes, sir.
How was the experience? It's a long time we had not organized any such type of quiz competition.
Yes, sir.
After a long time, we are gathered here. You all have done very well. I'd like to say the junior students, they have done a very less effort. Their effort was not to the point we were expecting from them. Why? Are you not focusing in your studies? You all were asked yesterday to prepare for this competition. But okay. So here are the results. Group A, 48 points. Group B, 42 points. Group C, 35. And Group D, 38. Big round of applause for Group A. The runner-up team is Group B. So no need to worry. You all had a great effort in making this quiz competition successful. I hope the next time we'll gather here, we'll put more effort.
Silent.
Okay.